Welcome once again. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading, and I'm back with another value-packed video for you guys. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to trade alongside the market makers or the institutions or the big boys, or how to see where the areas that they're playing at, or where they're placing orders, or where they're trying to take the markets, right? So I learned this a few years ago, and I've been using this to tackle the markets, and it has been so beneficial in predicting direction and also getting pinpoint entries, right? Low risk, high reward entries by being able to see this and spot this, right? So it's nothing complicated. It still sticks with our supply and demand strategy. So basically, once again, as always, you need to first thing you need to do is to spot a zone, right? So this was the last zone that was tested on EURUSD daily, right? So EURUSD daily was our higher time frame, right? So this was the last supply zone that we tested before going down, as you can see, right? So this is the first step, is to spot an actual zone, right? Obviously the zone needs to go with the trend. As you can see here, lower highs and lower lows, and our supply zones are at lower highs, right? That is the first step. Number two is that once you identify the setup, right, you now need to go to the lower time frame to essentially look for where they are placing their orders, right? And I'll show you the pattern that we used to see when they are actually in the market and actively placing orders, right? So for the daily, we will use the H1 as always. So let's just look for that zone right there. So this is our zone right here, right? So this is the zone that was tested. This is the actual test itself, right? Like I always say, guys. Okay, so here, as you can see, price was going up into the zone, right? This was an uptrend into the zone. And as you can see here, in an uptrend, you get higher highs and higher lows. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Now, this was the last low formed, or you could even argue and say this was the last low formed, right? So now, where do you then see that the big boys are actually in the markets and they're trying to reverse the markets, right? So usually what they will do to show you that they're about to place orders and reverse price, right, is that they will actually take out previous structure. So let's make this a different color. Sorry about that, guys. So what they will do is that they will take out structure to show that they are now ready to go a different direction, right? So as you can see here, this move here in this entire block took out all those previous higher lows here, right? So once these are taken out, we then start to raise our eyebrows and start looking for positions, because we know that now money is being pumped in to the bearish market and the big boys are ready to move the markets to the downside, right? So after that, what we wait for is a retest. So a retest in terms of market makers is basically them going back, placing more orders at that price that they chose, right? So that price for them is a cheaper price, and then going and placing those orders again and then dropping. Also, them going back is just them manipulating and just sifting out those impatient traders, right? So they will pump in those orders and then retest and then drop again, right? That's how you see that the market makers are actually in the market, and you will enter. As you can see here, price dropped and kept going, right? So that's how you spot market makers, and not only spot them but trade the footprints that they leave behind, right? So this is the footprint that they leave behind for us traders to trade alongside them. So this is how you spot them and also trade alongside the market makers. So If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. And if you do want to get in contact with me or join my free group, there is a link in the video description to my free group and also my Facebook account if you want to follow me there for more Facebook tips, Forex tips, sorry. And also, if you are someone looking to jump into the strategy and learn it right away and basically trade like us, there's also a link in the video description to buy our Structure First ebook, which teaches you the power of structure and also supply and demand, right? So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Adios.